Advances in solar technology have drastically improved the effectiveness, efficiency, and lifespan of solar modules. At the same time, prices have decreased and operating and maintenance costs have been reduced, making solar energy more competitive with other options. However, component costs for the balance of systems, or BOS, have not come down. This includes cables, wires, clips, switches, connectors, tubing, enclosures, and other components. The prices of these components are largely driven by the raw materials used to make them, which are subject to inflation and market conditions. Instead, developers can use products that reduce BOS installation and maintenance costs to derive more value from their BOS components. Panduit offers reliable and efficient solutions to bundle, connect, protect, and identify components and systems in the harsh conditions that solar sites are subject to. A typical utility-scale solar site will require thousands of cable ties and clips. Panduit offers cable ties and clips that are built to withstand long-term exposure to the elements, keeping cables secure and easy to access. Panduit also offers installation tools and edge clips that allow for fast and efficient installation to reduce operator fatigue and installation cost. Panduit's grounding and power connectors are designed to meet relevant UL and IEEE standards and provide a 20-year lifetime in outdoor environments, ensuring safe operation while reducing maintenance and repair costs. When maintenance or other needs necessitate equipment access, Panduit also offers tools that make it easy to verify safe working conditions and protect personnel. With the large number of cables, connectors, and other components, identification is key to safety and efficiency. Panduit offers a variety of UV-rated, pre-printed, and print-on-demand labeling options to easily identify electrical and network infrastructure and comply with NEC requirements.